अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 106 देखें। Gentlemen, because of our decision to erect a building of our own, we shall not be in a position to renew our lease when it expires next year. First, permit us to take this occasion to thank you for the many courtesies you have always extended to us. Post up. Preparations, ये क्या है? Preparations. तो किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखे, ये preparations, ये इस तरह भी हम लिख सकते हैं और दूसरी साइड भी देखे preparations, इस तरह भी हम ये लिख सकते हैं. अच्छा, for the erection of our new offices and sales rooms. Offices and sales rooms are going ahead nicely, but there is just a chance that our new building may not be. ये यानी एम का जो स्टॉक है ये हाफ हुआ है नॉट के लिए, may not be ready before the expirations of our lease. First, we wish to make provision for any unexpected delays, and if you don't object, we should like to your permission to have your permission to remain in this building if necessary for not more than. ये इन हाफ हुआ है किसके लिए? यानी ये डी के लिए. देखें, ये not more than इस तरह ले गए. अच्छा, 3 months at the present rental. First off, we hope you will have no objection to this arrangement. Very truly yours. First off. फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 107, तो यहाँ पर आते हैं. अच्छा, देखें ये क्या है? ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर 107 कहता है, Gentlemen, we think we are in a position to assist to tell tell in what direction your permission work may best be extended. First up, as you are no doubt aware, our organization has given many years of attention to problems of distributions of every description, and the information in our position is very relevant. First up, we believe that you would find a discussion of the problems with our Mr. Jones of value to you. First off, he will be glad to receive an invitation from you to call. Very truly yours. First off, exercise number 1. Dear sir, with this small amount of information in our position, we are unable to give you a definite decision on your application for a loan. First up, you make no mention at all of any provision for expansion at your present factory, nor do you tell us if you have any intention of taking over the operations of more machines. First off, however, we believe that the proposition is certainly worth discussion, although action must be, of course, wait till you supply us with additional information about your plans. First off, we suggest that you call at our office sometimes during the next few days to permit us to go over every detail of the situation with you. Yours truly, Foster.